1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, that was a bit, I was counting really slowly. I can't breathe. So many people experience anxiety, and also like so many people experience anxiety to like such a like normal level. Like it's so natural to feel anxious. Like it is that just figuring out what level feels right for you.
It's true. It depends what I'm anxious about. If it's a thing that's not happening in the moment that's going to happen, I just find it helpful to sometimes entertain it a little bit. Like grab a pen, grab a paper and blurt it out. Like, just write everything that's in your head and take it out of your head.
Yeah, and put it on a piece of paper.
And then read it and you're like, what on earth?
No,
like,
totally.
What am I even going on about?
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
It doesn't even make any sense.
This is so embarrassing.
It's a bit embarrassing. But like, I've got it out now.
Yeah.
And I can be like, oh, it's kind of like crying.
Yeah.
Like, after you cry and you're like...
It's very cathartic to just...
Cathartic is the word.
Yeah, very cathartic, just to like get your thoughts out. One of the worst things you can say to someone with anxiety or like feeling anxious is like, just don't worry. Don't worry about it. They don't want to be worrying about things that they don't need to be worrying about.
Yeah, like I'm not choosing to
feel anxious about this experience.
Yeah.
And so I think that is one of the worst things you can do. It's accepting that that's how you feel, but then also challenging it a little bit.
I find it useful to, I don't know if disassociate is the right word, but sort of like be yourself objectively to a third person. Yeah. It's kind of like what you were saying.
Yeah.
Like, I'm speaking in front of 1,000 people. Yeah. That is going to be anxiety inducing. What's literally the worst thing that could happen?
Yeah. Why am I actually feeling anxious? Then you'd like be like, oh, because I'm going to be late to class. Oh, because then the teacher will hate me. And then, oh, because I'm going to get kicked out of uni. And it's actually like, if you connect that beginning to the end, it's like, that's not going to...
That's an irrational.
It's really irrational. Like, that's very unlikely. I don't want to say completely unlikely, but very unlikely that that's going to happen. Yeah. Some of my friends will be like, look, I know that you're feeling that way. Like, that's fine, feel that way. But also, like, let's work through it. Let's but like not in like a judgy way. Yeah, exactly.
About being there, about listening.
Yeah.
Not hearing, listening.
Yeah.
Some people don't know the difference.
Yeah, take it out. I've had a really good day and then anxiety hits me in the evening. And in the evening, that's when I find it more useful to do some sort of like breathing exercise.
Yeah.
Breathe in for 8, hold for 4, and then breathe out for 8.
Okay.
So breathe in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I think you've done it.
Yeah.
Cured anxiety.
I think it's nice to just be able to have like a very open chat about anxiety without it being this like very demonized thing. Thanks for matching that energy and like been a lovely chat.
See you later.
See you later.